Sunday glory night, and well, he's sure feeling alright. Not going by the out Berlin again, bringing up the same old shite. And I can